Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about how to start a dropshipping business by opening your business. So let's break down the process of opening your dropshipping business step by step. Before diving in, it's essential to have a clear understanding of what dropshipping is. This business model involves selling products without holding inventory as suppliers ship products directly to your customers. Understanding this concept is the first step to success. So, the first one is selecting your selling platform. So, choose the platform where you'll set up your online store. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Amazon, eBay, or Bonanza.com. Next is setting up your website to accept credit card payments. To make sales, you need a secure and convenient way for customers to pay. Ensure your online store is equipped to accept credit card payments using trusted payment processors like PayPal, Stripe, or Square. You also need to obtain a toll-free number. Providing excellent customer service is key. Getting a toll-free number adds professionalism and allows customers to reach you easily. Services like Grasshopper or Google Voice offer affordable options. So next is listing your products for sale. Start adding products to your online store. Make sure to write compelling product descriptions, set competitive prices, and use high quality images to attract customers. We also have purchasing from the supplier when you get a sale. When a customer places an order on your site, it's time to purchase the product from your chosen supplier. Ensure you have a seamless process for this, as timely order fulfillment is crucial. Next is notifying your customer when their product ships. Keep your customers informed about the status of their orders. Send shipping notifications with tracking information to build trust and transparency. Next is all about troubleshooting problems. Be prepared to handle any issue that may arise, such as product defects, shipping delays, or customer inquiries. Address problems promptly to maintain customer satisfaction. Next is marketing your business. So, develop a marketing strategy to promote your business. Utilize social media, content marketing, email campaigns, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Opening your dropshipping business requires careful planning and execution. By understanding the dropshipping model, selecting the right platform, setting up secure payment options, obtaining a toll-free number, listing products effectively, managing order fulfillment, providing excellent customer service, troubleshooting, and implementing robust marketing strategy, you're well on your way to building a successful venture. And that's it. You have a comprehensive guide to open your dropshipping business. By following these steps, you'll be better prepared to navigate the world of dropshipping and build a thriving online business. Before I go, remember that success in dropshipping requires dedication and ongoing effort. Stay committed to providing value to your customers and continually improving your business. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to start a dropshipping business by opening your business. See you on my next video.